Link in description. Hello guys! Today I show you the new Best Uncopy Locked. You see that there are more in stock, but if you buy with Robux, it doesn't spend you and it gives it to you anyway. You can see in the video everything works. Now it's time to show you the spawner, F2. And now it's time for all event.